Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and this video is about assigning an assignment on Khan Academy. So my first step is to log in. I'm going to click on Login. I'm going to enter my school email and my password. Then I'm going to hit Enter, and that will log me in. Okay, I'm going to go down and find the class that I want the assignment for. You'll see I have quite a few classes here, so it's going to be this one, Computer Classroom Help. And then I'm going to find an assignment I want to do with the class. So I can hover over these major areas and then pick a lesson from there. And I can then hover over the minor areas and then click on them, and I'll be able to pick a lesson. Let's try this one. When I click on that, I'll get a view of the question bank. I can also take a look at the student view. And while I'm taking a look at the student view, I can go through and answer a couple. So this one would be x cubed 2x cubed minus 3. So I can go through and look at the problems. Once I'm satisfied I want to assign this assignment, I can click on the outside here and then look at this assignment, put a check here, then click on Assign. From here, I can choose to just assign it to the Computer Classroom Help or whatever class you're in, or many of your other classes. I'm just going to do Computer Classroom Help for right now. I can assign it to all students, or I can click this to unselect them, or click that to select them. But let's say I just wanted to assign it to Mr. Mosier and Mrs. Kavanaugh. I could do that. I could pick a due date. April 8th, a time. Let's have them do it by 2 p.m. And then I'll click Assign. That assignment is now assigned to those 2 students. And it's as simple as that. That's basically how you assign a Khan Academy assignment on Khan. All right, thank you for watching and have a nice day.